In this video, let me show you how to use OmniHuman text-to-speech. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. If you're trying to generate videos using this platform, it's going to be a straightforward process. You just need to head over to this platform, which is omnihuman-1.com. As soon as you enter in this URL, you'll be taken to the screen. From here, if you scroll down, you can see the option which says text to video. Now, once you're inside of this platform, you can see exactly the screen where you can add in the prompt and the video will be displayed here. So you can see some of the examples being displayed here as well. You can click one of these examples, or if you have, you can paste one as well. If you already have generated a prompt, you also have the option of enhancing a prompt. So if you did type your prompt by yourself, if you click on the enhance prompt option, it's going to enhance it and create a better version. So once you add in the prompt, you can simply click on the start streaming option. And as you can see, the video is now starting to generate. And once this completes fully, the video will be generated. So you can repeat this process to generate other videos as well. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.